I'm trying to assemble this Moo Mega Dart. I believe this should go inside here. Okay, but the other side at opposite end. This metal piece come out. I'm not sure is there any easier way to get this part for the Moo Mag to be fitted in, but I think this I tried on one of the other Mag really, and it looked simple. Okay, so when I got it hanging in place, there should be a groove for this part. But before you go put it in, I think we need to put some silicone grease around, otherwise it will be like this. The previous Mag I tested. And what I will do is, because this part I can't reach in to hook the circle out, I will use this to push it down. So I need to shift this to one side, let it sit side by side. Show you. Not sure you can see. This is the part. So shift it. Now I'm grabbing onto the part. Try to shift the ring down so I can grab it from the bottom. When you push it down, you might see the ring of the drum mag spring inside. As you can see, there's a shiny part there. I need to hook the screwdriver to hook it. Take some time. I got it. So as you can see, I got the silver part, so I can let go of the mag. Okay, so now I need to face this inside, but I need to pull it down also. I need to pull this. I need to pull the ring down. Be careful, it's sling back, so better hold on to it first. So when the ring is out, you can see where can I put it? Okay, so after I put it out, I must see is it straight. The metal part is straight, and this is the guide, and this facing, and rest this circle round thing over here at this hole. Like that, hook in. Okay, it's done. So we'll shoot back. Yeah. Okay, it's done. And lastly, I need to cover the screw. I got a spare Nerf rival screw or something. Just put it in and lock it in place, and it won't shift out anymore.